Within moments of walking into our space, you're gonna recognize you are in a doctor's office like none other that you've ever walked in. We typically have the music bumping. You're gonna smell something different. You're gonna see people that are smiling, and you're gonna recognize, oh, it kind of feels like people are alive here. That's because we are doctors of health and living. We are not doctors of sickness and disease. What we're gonna focus on with you when you walk in for your day one appointment is gonna be on discovering where is there dissonance between you and the life that you wanna be living. When we can shorten that gap, connects you to your highest healing self, you will start to live a life that feels a heck of a lot better.